Do you want to improve the sound quality of your recording easily? I will show you the easiest method to improve your voice recording in Audacity. I will make a duplicate of this recording to compare later. I will improve the second track. Select it and go to Tools. From Apply Macro, select Level and Improve Macro. I will show you in a moment where you can get this macro. Let's listen and compare.
Why you should use Audacity. Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest. Why you should use Audacity. Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software.
It is an amazing improvement just with a single click. I will show you the effect of that macro in another piece of recording. It is another voice recording. I will apply the same level and improve macro.
Oh my gosh, I could give you so many of my examples, but let's take a couple that maybe more people can relate to. So say someone wanted to start a new diet, but I can't decide. Should it be Whole30? Should it be keto? Maybe I don't. Oh my gosh, I could give you so many of my examples, but let's take a couple that maybe more people can relate to. So say someone wanted to start a new diet, but I can't decide. Should it be Whole30? Should it be keto? Maybe I don't know enough about them, and they go back and forth and they just never decide. That's procrastinate.
It is really cool to get this kind of improvement with a single click. To install the macro, go to Tools. Select Macro Manager. Click on Import. Then browse to the location of these TXT files. I will give you this TXT files. Choose Level and Improve Macro TXT and open. There is another macro file named Improve Sound. That macro also works, but Level and Improve Macro works with an irregular recording too. Irregular recording means where you may have failed to record with a consistent loudness. Use Level and Improve Macro that works with both regular recording and irregular recording. If you now go to Apply menu, you will see the Level and Improve macro. To get this macro, go to this link in the description. You can get those macro files for $8. You can get it for $2 if you become a member. Members get a special heavy discount on all my products, so you may consider becoming a member. I also have a larger EQ and macro pack where I offer amazing EQs and macros. You will get different types of macros like Clear Vocal or Podcast Improve, etc. The Level and Improve macro is also included in this larger pack. Get the macro pack you need. These macros works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you have any query, please email to biz.master.editor@gmail.com.